everyone, I'm back again. I'm doing a mukbang with Domino's pizza. I got the pasta bowl. I don't know if you could see it. I put a little bit of Parmesan on the top. I just haven't smashed it in here. All I got is I did the build your own because I don't like the taste of the meat. So what I did is I just got the pasta and the pasta, some mushrooms, and the cheese. I mean, I really don't like all the other stuff, but yeah. Anyways, trying to get my light to go to fix. Good. Or maybe I can put him up here. I didn't even think about that. There we go. There we go. Yes. Okay, let's try this. Oh, and I got some Coke to drink. I'm apologizing right now if there's any burps or anything. I am so sorry. Oops. Anyways, let me try this out. Tastes good. My daughter also got one, but she got the chicken, the regular, the chicken Alfredo. I just got the Alfredo with the noodles and mushrooms. I don't really like eating meat. So trying to make sure this thing's on. I can't even see. I have to open my eyes like that just to see it. I'm a goofball. I know. It's okay. We can be goofballs a little bit. It doesn't have to be a big old thing. I'm a goofball. My kids are goofballs. Everybody's a goofball. So anyways, how's everybody day, night, evening, morning? I don't know when you're seeing this, so how's it going? I hope that your day has been good. I hope y'all didn't have no problems today. Nobody trying to bring y'all down. Nobody trying to do anything to y'all. I mean, that's the only thing I hate. When somebody is trying to bring you down, when everybody, you know, when you're having a good day and then there's that one person that tries to bring you down and bring you down with them just because they're miserable, doesn't mean that everybody else has to be miserable. I mean, if you're miserable, okay, you don't have to spread it and for everybody else to be miserable. You're miserable, that's fine. Let it be, okay? Don't let it come out so everybody else can be miserable. I mean, that's a shame. Not everybody wants to be miserable, you know. And for what? It just ruins the day. So anyways, Mimi's! Sorry about that. She's barking a little too much. You know what? Actually, I think this thing, it tastes like it has a lot of salt in it. I don't know. It tastes salty to me. I don't know why. My daughter always says whenever I get mine, She says that mine always looks so pretty, and hers doesn't look pretty. I was like, it's because you get chicken in it. That's why. I saw some of those Doritos or those hot chips, those Pockies, or I don't know what they're called. They sell them at the store down, you know, at this one convenience store. And I was thinking about buying a bag, just to try it out. Sorry about that. My phone started ringing. Had to check and see, maybe it was somebody important. But it wasn't. You know, them telemarketers, they love to call you whenever you're doing something. In the middle of doing something, somebody always has to call. Oh, sorry. Excuse me. But anyways, I don't know what it was wrong with me today. I was sitting at my desk this morning. It happened this morning and this afternoon. I was sitting at my desk, doing the computer, you know. I'm sitting there typing in some stuff, and all of a sudden I'm like falling asleep, and I'm like, what the hey? You know, I'm like freaking out. I'm like, you know, it's just like, I just wanted to go to sleep. I think whenever I drop off my daughter at the bus stop so she can go to work, then I'm gonna come back, take a shower, and go to bed. My husband don't get here till about 8. So I can wait. I can let him. I have his food. I have his food ready when he gets home. So all that's going to need to be done is just wash whatever plate he's going to use. But other than that, I think I am going to lay down. He has to go to work tomorrow. Some special meeting they're going to. And then we have a doctor's appointment tomorrow. Our physicals for our insurance. So yeah, we have to go get that done tomorrow. Then I have to make an appointment so we can get our dental checkup. I didn't find a dentist. Actually, this is good. This is real good today, even though it's very salty. It tastes real good. They fed us at work today. And I was going to record it, but just so you can see what kind of food that they give us at work, wasn't worth it. I love this sound. Anyways, it wasn't worth it to record it, so I was like, okay, whatever. You know, I'm not going to record it. The food wasn't worth it. The food wasn't even worth opening up the box. Yeah. Like next week, they're supposed to give us some turkey and dressing or something like that for next week. And what they do is, where's Nugget? What they do is, it's like a little piece of, looks like lunch meat turkey. Actually, that's what it looks like. And excuse me. And sorry about that. Everything makes my nose run. Excuse me. The turkey looks like, the turkey and the ham looks like lunch meat. The beans look like they just took it out of the can and threw it together. I mean, yeah, that's the thought that counts, but still, they could have did a better job with the turkey and stuff. I mean, not to make it look like it's lunch meat. I mean, it could have about, remember that bit? So they can try to throw off that it's lunch meat. Yeah. But the dressing's good. The only reason why the dressing's good is because it's the stove top stuffing recipe boxes. You know what I mean. I love them. I love them. I mean, those little guys, them stovetop stuffing things, I can eat every day if I want it. I mean, that's how much I love that stuff. Yes, I'm sharing with my kids. They haven't seen me all day, and what do? I come home and I start making a video instead of spending time with them. But once I'm done with this video, I'm gonna edit it, get it uploaded, and then I have to take my daughter to the bus stop, and then I have to go to the store to go and pick up some medicine. And then, hold on, baby. And then I have to, and then I'll come back and relax after that. I wish I could just relax today, but can't. Oh, doors open Thursday at 2 p.m. Black Friday next week, guys. $10 off or more. JCPenney's. I think I'm gonna have to go check this out. Ooh, look at all these. Are these all for November 25th? November. I hate when they do that. They give you coupons, and they give you coupons, but you can't use them on the same day. You have to use them, like one says shop in store only November 19th through 22nd. Okay, that's 25% off or extra 20% off. Then they have another one that's 20% off or extra 15% off. It depends on what you're gonna get. But that one's from from November 25th to the 29th. Why can't they give you coupons that are like on the same day, so you can have, so you can get a real awesome discount? Have people coming back for it. You know what I mean? Like, I would go back for them. Definitely go back for them. Ooh, I need some jogging pants. $9 for pullovers. Not bad. I think I'm gonna go get me one of these little griddles. And then I need to get another slow cooker because I was washing the pot that goes in the slow cooker that I have, and I put it in the dish rack so it can dry after I washed it, and somehow, some way, it fell on the floor. Don't ask me how. Don't ask me, because I was in the room and all me and my kids heard was boom. And we're like, what the hell, We got up, me and the kids got up, we're like freaking out. They were freaking out. And we came over here and I saw it on the ground, and I just wanted to cry because I love using my little crock pot. Sorry guys, looking at my mail. I don't know what this is for. It just says give back. What they send me? Some free stuff? Oh, they want me to give money. Why don't they give me money though? Excuse me. I want money too, not just them. For a good cause though. It's for the kids. You know, helping out kids, the less fortunate kids, you know, so they can go see the people play basketball and stuff like that, buying them t-shirts. So, that's not bad. I don't know what this is on there. It looks like freaking gum. I'm gonna show y'all. Look. Look at that. There's the cheese. Look at that shit. It looks weird. Oh, maybe it's just me. Maybe I just have a problem with it. Nugget? I don't know. I don't care. I'll eat it. Either way. Either I'll eat it or these kids will eat it. But we love it. We love Dominos. If I would have to choose between Pizza Hut, Domino's, Little Caesars, I can't say Papa John's because I've never ate, well, I ate there once. Years ago. I broke out in hives. I don't know what was in it. I couldn't eat. Don't you dare pumpkin. Pumpkin. No papa. No papa for you. Anyways. I can't eat that pizza no more. Just because I broke out the one time, like people say, just because you broke out one time doesn't mean you can't go try it again. No, because I don't want to break out again. I don't want to go through that again. I had like red bumps all over my face and stuff. And I'm like, I'm not going to go through that. You see my jacked up teeth? I hate my teeth. I'm behind on watching my videos on YouTube. So I watch them in the mornings when I'm getting dressed. And my husband laughs at me because I'm like, I'll talk to the TV like I'm saying, oh, what, didn't you know you have to do this? Or didn't you know you have to do that? Or blah, 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 whatever, you know, this or that. And, he's like, you're so crazy, you're so silly, talking to the TV. I was like, well, I'm just saying. And he laughs at me. He's like, you're so cute. And then he's like, what are you gonna do when you get home, babe? And he's like, you're gonna do your videos? I said, yes, I am. He gets all excited because I get happy whenever I do videos. Like, I get all excited. So, I just like doing videos. I don't know. I don't know why I've never done them before. I should have done them before, but I was always self-conscious about doing them. And now, I don't care. I'm going to do them, I'm going to do them. Either way. If I'm going to do them now, I'm going to do them later. I don't care. I mean, a couple of chips. My burritos. I think that's what they're called. Because they're so good. You're gonna take a bath in a minute. Sorry guys. The food, this food has like something in it that makes my nose run. I mean, I know I ate those little chips and they have the little bit of heat to it and it makes my nose run, but this, I don't know if it has pepper or what it is, but it makes my nose run all the time. And I'm over here like, what the hell? Why is my nose running? Why does my nose have to be running all the time? Right, guys. Here, no. Oh. Sorry. Told y'all. Lots of burping. I don't know why. Every time I have like excuse me. I always have a problem burping. I'm always burping. It doesn't matter. Anything I eat, everything I eat, I burp. In the morning, right as soon as I wake up, I burp. It's a common thing for me. My husband's used to it. I wake up and he's like, is it time for you to burp yet? And I'm like, really? I go brush my teeth and then I'll go stand by him and I'll be like, burp. He's like, really? Yeah, I just did it. Oh my God. I need to get my grill all. I need to get my grill fixed soon. I hate the gap in the middle. I don't know, a lot of people are used to gaps in the middle of their teeth, but not me. I mean, I'm used to having teeth and got hit and get cracked in the middle. So now I have the gap, and I hate it so much. I try not to smile that much, or if I smile, I'm like, or I try not to laugh or talk a certain way because then my teeth would be showing, and I hate showing my teeth. Sorry guys, I'm trying to fix my light. Doesn't that look so yummy? I'll try doing it where y'all can see it. Anyways, what else should I talk about? Oh, I know what we could talk about. last night, I get home, I'm all in a rush. Because my husband, well, we went to work, and my husband dropped me off, and then he went to his building where he works. Sends me a picture, and he's like, look, babe, look what happened. And I'm like, what happened? And he got a nail or a screw or something in the tire. I'm like, really? I was like, if it's not one thing, it's another thing that happens to us. He's like, I'm sorry, babe. He goes, I don't know where it happened at. I don't know how we got it. I was like, okay, that's fine. I said, I guess I'll go and get it fixed whenever I get out of work. He's like, okay. And I love you. And so it's time for me to get out of work, and he goes and picks me up so I can, because he always keeps the car during the day whenever we go to work together. And then he'll, like, if I need something from the store, or if I want anything, he'll go get it for me. Sometimes I don't even ask, and he'll bring me something. And he always brings me a canned Coke. I always drink a canned Coke. Not all the time, but whenever I need one, I drink a canned Coke. I can't drink them out of the bottle. I don't know why. I think the taste is nasty. But anyways, excuse me. So I drop him off, and I'm like, okay, well, I'm gonna go to the house, check up on the kids, pick up, my daughter, and I'm gonna go get the tire fixed. So pick up my daughter. The tire place is right here at the corner of our house, at the end of the block. So it's not that far to go. Get there, sit there and wait. The guy that I wanted to do it, he was busy with 2 other cars in front of him. So the owner, she was like, he can do it. And it was a new guy, because I'd never seen him there. And I was like, kind of skeptical about him doing it. And I was like, okay, I mean, you're the owner, you know best, or whatever. So he lifts the car, takes the tire off, and takes the tire and goes and puts the plug in the tire where the nail was. Okay, that's fine. He goes and does that, and then he comes and puts the tire back on. He's like, okay, it looks good. It'll be $10. I'm like, okay, $10. I give him the money. Me and my daughter take off, and I'm like, because she has to go to work, so I had to go drop her off at the bus stop. And then everything was fine, dropped her off, came home. My husband gets home, I do a video last night. I'm waiting for him to go watch TV. And anyways, this morning when we got up, the little light thing was flashing. We're like, what the hell? Don't tell me we got another nail or something in another tire, thinking it was another tire. So we push the little button on the car, it shows which tire is low, whatever. Come to find out, it was the same tire that had the nail in it. So I'm pissed. I'm real pissed. I'm the type of person I told my husband, this is the type of person I am. This is what I told my husband. Don't worry about it, babe. I got it done yesterday. I am going to go over there today when I get out, and I am going to tell them that I'm not paying for them to fix my tire again. I did it last night, and they're going to fix it for free. And he's like, okay, babe. He goes, because he laughs at me because I always tell him, oh, they're getting a review. Oh, I'm giving them a review. I always give everybody a review. And I don't know what that is. And then, okay. Anyways, now I forgot where I was at, just because somebody had to come in here and tell me to pause it because they don't want to be in my video. But you can hear them in the background. Uh-huh. I said they can hear you in the background, and you're like, uh-huh. Anyway, so yeah, I went over there today to go and let the man know about my tire, and told him flat out, look dude, I came over here last night, I was with my daughter so she can vouch for me, and if you want me to go get her, I can go get her. I go, you're fixing a car right there in the middle, and I talked to you and I told you that I wanted you to change my tire, and the owner came, you know, and told the guy to do it, and he's like, oh, okay, yeah, I remember now. I said, well, that guy did not do a good job. That our tire is leaking. He did something wrong. He goes, oh no. He goes, okay, well when that car moves, pull in there. I'm like, okay. So waited. Oh, made me mad because the guy that was in the place where he wanted me to park, he was taking his freaking sweet ass time to move. And I'm like, are you serious? And then he reversed it. And I'm like, okay, he's gonna move. Oh no. He stops again, looking at something on his car, in his dashboard, or I don't know what. Finally, the man moves. And I'm like, okay, pull in. I pull into the place where they changed the tire. And the guy goes, okay, well let me check. He goes, which one is it? And I said, the back one on the driver's side. He's like, okay, well let me check it. Takes it off, takes it to the little thing where they pop it on, you know, so they can look at it, or put water, or the soap or whatever. He does that one part last. He wets it everywhere else, right? And then that one part's coming up. And I can see it, and everybody can see it, you know, if anybody was looking at it, can see it. He sprayed right on it, and I'm watching. You should have seen how much bubbles were coming out of that thing. I was like, freaked out. I was like, are you serious? Like, I was supposed to fix my tire and not make it worse. And anyways, I told him that, you know, I was like, are you serious? It's still messed up. And he goes, you know what? He goes, I'm gonna have to take it off the tire so I can look at the inside of it, because he was gonna put a patch, and he couldn't put the patch because flat out told me that guy messed it up, really messed it up. And I'm like, are you serious? I was like, what? He goes, look, he goes, I'm not gonna charge you nothing, you know. And I'm thinking in my head, I wasn't gonna pay nothing in the first place. I already paid my due. I'm not gonna pay you no more money. And he's like, I'm not gonna charge you anything. I'm gonna do it free of charge because he really messed it up. I'm gonna put a patch on the inside. And he goes, but if it messes up or anything, he goes, he's like, I'm sorry because that guy, you know, jacked it all up. I was like, well, I hope it lasts, you know, for a little while, because, you know, I need to save up money just to get a tire. Not really save up money, but you know how you have your expenses and what you need to pay and what you need to get, you know. And if you need to get something else, you have to make sure you have enough for everything else. Anyways, so yeah, he does that, and I told him, I was like, you know what? I said, if I ever have to come over here again, I go, you're the one that's gonna do my tire, because I know that you did a good job on the first time, because I had went there before, but for another tire. And I said, you did a tire already before, and you did a good job, and that's why I wanted you to do it last night, but they made that guy do it.
Oh.
Excuse me. And so he was like, oh, okay. He goes, yeah, if you have any problems, you know, if you need anything, you know, with your tires, he goes, just come over here and I'll help you out, whatever I can do. I was like, okay, all right. Well, thank you so much for being so nice and helping me out. Excuse me. So, yeah, that was my day today. And then I messaged my husband and I was like, he's lucky he didn't get a review. I like saying that to my husband. I was like, oh, they're getting a review. They're getting a review. It's funny. They're like, how you not going to have ketchup and have french fries? You know what I mean? How you going to have some sugar and no Kool-Aid? It's crazy. Real crazy. But anyways, so yeah, that was my daughter that was passing by in the back of me just a while ago. She was like, I'm not gonna be in it, I'm not gonna look at it, but yet she was talking. Go figure. But yeah, pasta bowl is real good. I recommend everyone trying it. The way I get mine is I create my own, or build your own, or however they say it, because they have them already made. Like you got your pasta, your Alfredo, you got your meatball or whatever, and you know, stuff like that. And then on the bottom it says, I think it says create your own. But my daughter just told me just now she didn't get no meat in hers, and she was supposed to have meat in hers. They didn't even give me a receipt. Mine says mushrooms on the side. I guess I would have to say it on hers, but I know I put meat on hers because she wanted extra. She's the one who bought it though. She was splurging today for us. She bought me. I wasn't gonna make a video today, but she bought this for me, so I was like, hey, why not? I'm gonna have food, why not make a video? And yeah, I saw some people, they're like, well, I'm not gonna be doing no, you know, just regular mukbangs. I'm just gonna do the challenges, or like something real big. And I mean, the whole reason about doing mukbangs is because you want people to watch you eat, and your little stories that you tell. You know what I mean? I mean, why would you want to take out the little stuff that you eat? Even if it is for a little bit. I mean, just because you're going to have something real big and lavishing and yummy and good, that's going to make a difference on how many people are going to look at what you're doing. But I guess whatever floats your boat. I'm not mentioning any names to protect the innocent. I mentioned that in one of my videos one time before. You didn't go to the store with me? Oh yeah. This was really good. My husband always gets the medium pizza with half pepperoni, half hamburger, and then he gets a bacon ranch, chicken bacon ranch. Oh, I hate my teeth. What the hell? Yeah. He gets a chicken bacon ranch, and even what he does usually is that, hey, he'll eat half of the sandwich. He'll eat half of the sandwich, and then he'll take whatever pizza he has left over and the sandwich, and he'll take it to work for lunch the next day. So, but he didn't get the sandwich today. I have a feeling he's going to tell me to buy him one. Or go buy him some candy. He's a big stickler on candy. Now or laters, or Skittles, or Mike and Ike's. He likes the red ones. He's a goofball. I don't know what they put in here. Look at this. It looks like freaking glue. Look at that. Yummy, yummy for my tummy. Oh, I always tell my kids that when they were little. My kids are all grown. Like the one that's here right now. She don't even live with me anymore. Lives with her boyfriend. And she's the one that always told me, I'm never gonna leave, Mom. I'm gonna buy a big house and you're gonna live with me. I'm not gonna put you in no nursing home. And you're gonna be with me for the rest of your life. And now what? Meet somebody and she forgets about me. It's okay though. I still love her. I'll always love her. Either way. Well, I demolished the pasta bowl. I think that's all for today. I drank the Coke in my face and my nose and my eyes got watery. My eyes got watery. It got all red. The lips got red. Crazy. I usually don't eat. Now look at me. I eat all the time now. Bless you. I like these chips. These chips. These little chips. These little chips. You scared me? I scared you? Sorry. Bless you. Nugget, no. So yeah. Now I'm just eating a few of these. Anyways, guys, I hope y'all have a nice night, or whichever one you're looking at this right now, day, night, evening, morning. I hope y'all have a good one. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you haven't, comment below. Let me know how you're doing. Let me know what's going on. Let me know what y'all want to see. Whichever. Don't forget to add me on Snapchat or Instagram. I'll have it in the description box below. Y'all have a good one. Bye.